Today, I'm going to be reviewing EnviFX. Now, EnviFX is a fantastic broker. And the reason I'm really interested in letting everybody know about this is because I've been using this broker for some time. And I've never had a problem with deposit. I've never had a problem with withdrawals. I've also never had any issues with speaking to the customer support. So it's definitely a broker that I recommend to people. Now, if you want to sign straight up before you even finish this video, you can with the link down below. Okay, that is my link. So of course, you'll be connected to me and I can help you out in any way that you would like. But EnviFX is ticking all the boxes, and it has done for the last 2 years of me using it. And now I'm finally going to tell the world about it. So let's go into the website and have a look at the features. So in the trading part of the website, okay, you can see they have spreads and stock section, account types, PAM accounts, deposits and withdrawals, how to fund your account, affiliate programs, FX calculator, marketing trading hours. So I want to just go into the account types for you to give you a bit of an overview. And guys, of course, there's so much more information that I can give you on this video. I want you to do your own research and kind of just make your own opinion on if this is something that you feel comfortable with. So the account types that come with Envi Broker are standard, which gives you leverage up to 1 to 500, a typical spread from 0.8 pips, STP execution, level 2 pricing, trade in the global markets, Forex, cryptos, metals, and indices, stocks, and commodities, commissions per lot of $8 and 200 plus pairs. You have a pro account that will give you leverage up to 1 to 500, again, typical spreads of 0.4 pips, STP execution with level 2 pricing, trade global markets, Forex, cryptos, metals, indices, stocks, and commodities, and commissions per lots at $9 in total with 200 pair. Then guys, you got the VAR, so leveraging up to 1 to 500, typical spreads from 1.2 pips, STP execution with level 2 pricing, the trade global markets, Forex, cryptos, metals, indices, stocks, and commodities, no commissions per lot, 200 plus pairs as well, and the mini guys, which is leveraging up to 1 to 500, again, the typical spreads of 1 pip, STP execution, level 2 pricing, trading global markets just as like the others, stocks and commodities, commissions per lot of $4 and 29 pairs. All right, guys, this really is a trading experience like no other. Whether it is you want to start with PAM accounts, okay, if you just want to deposit and manually trade yourself, it's up to you. It supports MT4 and it supports MT5. All right, the web trader is absolutely fantastic, guys. If you don't know what that is, you are not up to date with how brokers are developing themselves going forward from 2023. All right, Envi are innovative in the way they have had to adapt to how brokers should be accountable for how people are now trading. All right, it's incredible, guys. The support is incredible. Envi is something I recommend to everyone, not just you guys, but also my family that want to trade. This is that place. So if you want to get involved in Envi, guys, all you have to do is go to envifx.com, or if you want to help me out, hit the link down below and you can get involved and be connected with me, and I might make a little bit of commission off that too. Guys, EnviFX, absolutely fantastic. I want to make sure that everybody is with a trusted, transparent broker so you do not get fooled later on down the line when you start making big money, because at the end of the day, that's all we want to do. So hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you want to be notified, guys, and I'll see you next time.